Hello to all the future homeowners. My name is Farhana and I'm going to be your host for today. This video is brought to you by Get Right Properties, the most trusted real estate platform. And today we are going to explore SBR Minara, which is a property located in Seegehalli, Bengaluru. Before we get in details about this project, let me help you understand about Get Right Property. Get Right Property is your advisory real estate platform with 8 years of experience. Get Right Property is here to advise and guide you to choose the right property which matches your requirement and helps you select the best deal out there. All this with zero brokerage, which means we give you a direct builder pricing with no hidden costs. And if you book through us, you will get the latest iPhone as a complimentary gift. In this project, we are going to cover project overview, why this project, location, configuration, amenities, specifications, builder credibility, investment potential, and who this project is for. SBR Minara is a premium apartment development spread across 3.75 acres of land. This project has a total of 4 different towers, 3 of them being residential towers and 1 of them being a commercial tower. The towers are called Tower A, Tower B, and Tower C. We have a total of 620 units in this project. For RERA details, construction status, inventory updates, or site visit www.getrightproperty.com. SBR Minara comes with great connectivity to the eastern part of Bangalore. Located in Kadugodi, Seegehalli, you can have easy access to Whitefield Kadugodi, Old Madras Road, K.R.Puram, and Budigere Cross. You also get great access to IT parks such as ITPL, Sigma Softtech Park, EP/IP Zone, and Brigade Softtech Park. To take care of your health, we also have a lot of different hospitals nearby such as Aster Hospital, Manipal Hospital, Medicover Hospital for women and children. If you have children, you can also enroll them in the top schools of Bengaluru such as Whitefield Global School, Pragati Orchids International School, National Public School, Mount Litera Z School. You also have great connectivity to the different malls of Bengaluru such as Orion Uptown Mall, Phoenix Market City, and Nexus Mall. You also get great connectivity to the metro station as Whitefield Kadugodi metro station is nearby. To check complete details or to check commute, market, bank, school, mall, hospitals, or metro station details, you can go to www.getrightproperty.com. SBR Minara offers multiple apartment configurations. Our 2.5 BHKs come with 1,290 to 2,030 square feet. Our 3.5 BHKs come with 2,028 to 2,038 square feet. Each apartment is designed with smart layouts, better airflow, spacious interiors, functional family spaces. Now we are going to go through the beautiful miniature. This project is located in Seegehalli, right in front of the Hoskote Whitefield main road. Now, as we enter the property, this is the entrance and this side is the exit. And right in front of the property, we have a commercial space which has an elevation of G+13 floors. Ample amount of parking which is available underground. Now, as we move forward with the property, we have many different towers. We have a total of 3 towers. This one is Tower A with the elevation of G+27. That one is Tower B with the elevation of G+28. And then we come to Tower C, which has an elevation of G+34. With a total of 3 towers, we also have ample amount of amenities. This project comes with a total of 30 amenities. Here we have badminton court. We also have an amphitheater, a chessboard. Along with that, we also have plenty of space for the kids' play area. And you can also see that this entire property is filled with greenery. It is beautifully decorated with trees. And as we come here, we come to a mini pond as well for your recreational purposes. It is a beautiful miniature pond for you to enjoy the beauty of nature. And now we come to the swimming pool. We have an adults and a kids swimming pool for anybody who enjoys swimming. This is right between Tower A and Tower B. Now moving forward, we also have a lawn area for your recreational purposes. For anybody who likes to walk, for anybody who likes to take a stroll, we have a lawn area and it is beautifully decorated with a variety of trees. This is right in between Tower B and Tower C. Surrounding the towers, you also get guest parking on the ground floor. Along with that, we also have 3 different levels of parking in the underground. So we have ample of parking space for all the guests and for all of the residents. Future homeowners, one of the most important part of any project is the clubhouse, and this property comes with a very huge clubhouse which is of 40,000 square feet. The clubhouse is divided into 3 different parts and it is located under each and every tower. The clubhouse also comes with a private gym and various different amenities, and the clubhouse of each tower can be used by any residents. All the residents of the different tower can have access to all of the different clubhouses. So future homeowners, with this we have completed the tour of the beautiful miniature. I hope you got a good idea about how the property is going to look like, what all the amenities are provided, along with all of the different towers. I would like to let you all know that we have a total of 620 units in this project, and the handover is going to be done in the August of 2027. The best part about this property is that it comes with 30 plus amenities to take care of your health and wellness, of your fitness, recreational activities, or your sport needs. Along with that, it also comes with a 40,000 square feet clubhouse. To know more in detail, visit www.getrightproperty.com. Future homeowners, now we are going to start with the tour of the model flat. This is a 2.5 BHK model flat and the dimensions could be 1,290 to 2,030 square feet. So, as we enter, we come to the living room. We have the living space. Here you could set up a 2-seater or a 3-seater sofa set. Now this is a beautiful area. We have ample space to set it up however you want. You could decorate the walls or you could set up a flower vase, as you can see. And now we enter the entertainment zone. Here you could set up an entertainment zone if you like. And so moving from the living area, we come to the dining area. As you can see, we have set up a beautiful dining set over here, and you could do the same. Right here, you could set up a dining table, or you could set up, a dining space with chairs, and your family can have your lunch, dinner, breakfast, or whatever they like. And you could set up some decorative items over here as well, because we have ample space to set up decoration items along with a dining table set. Now from the dining area, we are going to move to the balcony. Now this is the main balcony of the house, and this is a pretty spacious balcony. As you can see, you can set up, your recreational zone. You could set up a chair, a table, or some pots and plants if you like those things. And this is a very great area for your entertainment, for your recreation, or for chilling and enjoying the weather in Bengaluru. Now we are going to enter the kitchen area. Here in the kitchen area, we provide you with a slab and a sink. Apart from that, you can set it up however you like. If you want to set it up in an Indian style, you could do that. If you want to set it up in a European style, you could do that. You're free to set it up however you want, because we give you maximum customization opportunity. Now we enter the part of the kitchen that is the utility area. Here you could set up washing machine or a dishwasher. Whatever you like, we have given you the space to do that. And here are the windows. Here are the windows for the kitchen, and as you can see, these are pretty big windows. You can open them up for maximum ventilation. From the kitchen, we are now going to enter the master bedroom. Now, this is a beautiful master bedroom and it is very, very spacious. This comes with wooden flooring. Here you could set up a king size bed, a queen size bed. You could also build a closet as well. There is ample space to do whatever you want. There is ample space to put on decorations, study table, or whatever you want. You could set this room up however you want, and it's going to look perfect because of the wooden flooring. It gives a very cozy and a very minimal vibe. This master bedroom is also comes with an attached washrooms, and this washroom comes with all the necessary sanitary fittings. And now from the master bedroom, I am going to take you to the common washroom of the house. This is the common washroom, and this washroom also comes with all the necessary sanitary fittings such as the toilet and the sink. And apart from that, you could set it up however you like. Now we are going to enter the kids' bedroom. Now, this is a pretty compact room and you could set up a small bed for your kids. You also have enough space to set up a mini closet over here along with a study table. This is the most perfect room for your younger kids. Along with that, if you do not have kids, you could also set it up as an office space or a library or an entertainment zone. So you could set it up however you like, and I would also like to show the window that comes with this room. Now this is also a pretty decently sized window for your ventilation. And from here, I'm going to take you to the second bedroom of the house. Now, this is another bedroom which is pretty big and it is pretty spacious. Here you have enough space to set up a king size bed, a queen size bed, make a closet. Along with that, you could put up decoration items, lamps, and you could also set up a study table if you like, because there is enough space over here to set up all of those things. From here, I want to take you to the most special part of this room, which is the attached balcony. Now, we have two balconies in total, and this is the second one, which is the attached balcony. This balcony is attached to the second bedroom, and it's a very compact balcony. Here you can set up your plants, or you could set up a small chair for your entertainment. This area can also be used for your recreational purpose. And with that, we have shown you the entire apartment. I have shown you all of the 3 bedrooms. I have shown you the kitchen, the dining area, along with the living room. So future homeowners, if you are looking for a very well thought out and beautifully designed apartment, this is the one. So make sure to go to www.getrightproperties.com if you want to check out more details. This project is made using My One Construction premium UPVC sliding windows, high quality petrified tiles, anti-skid tails in bathroom and balcony, premium wooden flooring in the master bedroom, granite countertops on the kitchen and basin, premium sanitary fittings in the washroom, 100% of backup in common areas, rainwater harvesting for sustainability. If you want to know more in detail about the specifications, visit www.getrightproperty.com. SBR Minara is constructed by SBR Infra Buildtech, who have completed 11 years in the field. Along with that, they have 10 completed projects with 4 ongoing projects and 1,700 happy customers. They are known for their on-time delivery and premium build. To know in detail about the developers, go to www.getrightproperty.com. Now, let me tell you about the investment opportunities. This project is best suited for end-to-end living, luxury lifestyle buyers, rental income opportunities, and long-term investment buyers. To check more details, go to our website www.getrightproperty.com. This property is ideal for IT professionals working in Whitefield, families looking for luxury community living, investors looking for long-term appreciation, and people wanting to upgrade to premium homes. SBR Minara is not just another property. It provides you with a great community, luxury living, premium interiors, and a well balance of everything that you need. It also comes with great connectivity, connecting you to different parts of East Bengaluru. To know more, to invest, to buy, or to resell properties, check out www.getrightproperty.com. And all of this can happen with zero brokerage and no hidden cost. As we come to the end of the video, I would like to thank Ankit and staff members from SBR Minara team for guiding me through this entire project. And I would like to thank SBR Infra Buildtech for giving me this opportunity. I'm your host Farhana, signing off. See you again.